Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today we have a super cute little mini card. Look at that. And using some of your nesting dies to make minis. This one measures about, it's about 2¼ and so we're talking really tiny here. This is a 3x3 envelope, and it's even, a little bit smaller than that. So you could make your own little envelope with the mini envelope punch board, or just with the larger punch board. And I have a video for that in my channel about how to make small envelopes. But this is so cute, and it's using, I have some nesting dies and these stitched hexagonal shape here, actually octagonal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 octagonal, and a little spot to write your little note. You can make a tag out of this by punching a hole through it, anyway, I meant it as a little card, and it's great for a little package that you're going to put in, or some Happy Mail if you want to tuck a little note in, or what have you. So this one, I'll show you how to do it here in just a second with another one, but this one is made with this octagon shape. I have a layering piece there. I have the same size as the inside white piece, and then I ran it through an embossing folder. And then I have just a little flower. I think this is an Eileen Hall from last year, like the book club set. And then I have some Altenew leaves, a little mishmash of a little bit of everything, but it's so cute. All right, so today I'm going to use some stitched circles. I'm going to get myself together here. This is from Elizabeth Craft Dies, and these are stitched and pierced circles, and they're nice large circle from 5 1/4 all the way down to these small ones. So I got it for making a larger one, but today we're going to make some smaller ones. So let me show you. I used from the inside, I used number 1, 2, I used number 3 and 4. So get ones that are layering circles, however you want to do that, in whatever shapes you have. And then I took a piece of cardstock and folded it in half in this color. And I put the die, when I ran it through the larger circle, so on my fold I put the die edge that cuts, I put it right over the edge, so that when I run it through, it's connected there. But I didn't want my card to look like somebody had sat on him, okay? So I went through with the same colored cardstock, and I cut out the exact same circle another piece to put on top. So that's what we're going to go ahead and glue. You can follow the same method with just about any shape that you have. Squares, rectangles, hearts, swirly scallop is what I'm trying to say there. So I'm going to line that up and make sure, and all this piece is doing is just making our shape look finished. So just be careful not to put glue on that wee bit there. But otherwise, now I've got a circle again. So when I open it, it looks a little more finished. I also cut out of the next die down, and this is a stitched one, whereas this is pierced. Don't you love those little dots? Hopefully you can pick that up. Out of some the new Auburn Lane, I think it's called, by Paige Evans, and this is the digital paper from acdigitals.com, so check that out if you're a digital paper lover. And I cut out that beautiful watercolor there, so I'm going to go ahead and layer this, and you can make a ton of these. This is great for the holidays coming up because you can just stick on a gift bag or stick in journals, all sorts of applications here. Happy Mail. So now I've got a fun little flower. I'm going to go ahead and, or panel I should say, all tongue-tied. I'm having people over here and my brain is thinking about cooking salmon and things like that. Alright, so this is a circle, so now I have a spot to write. Okay, pretty simple. You could put, if you've got the space to do it, it's fairly flat, but you could put a big flower on top here, and so forth. Or we're going to stamp a sentiment. I have a dear friend from this very vintage Stampin' Up! Set, and it's a nice size, and I'm just going to kind of put that right over there because I'm going to write the message in the middle, or you could put it in there and leave it like that. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it. Find a coordinating ink. Nice about this Tim Holtz glass mat. You can test out your stamp right over there. Alright, so I'm just going to use this right corner over here to my advantage and go ahead and do that. And excess. So good time to use your scraps. You could use a paper trimmer or be lazy like me. And we're going to put that right there. But before I do, I'm just going to give it a little I'm going to take that ink and just kind of go around the edge here. Since I'm not doing a fancy cutout or anything, not that you couldn't, but just so it kind of pops out. Alright, and then I'm going to pop that up on some dimensionals. I actually love mini things. I love mini things. I love big things too, but there's something about mini, maybe because I'm not mini. I'm not mini. Especially after 2 C-sections. Alright, so I've got that the right direction. And then I'm just going to pop that on there. You could even put little sequins and things, which I think we might do. We might do little, this I got on Amazon. Great deal. Little sequin stash here. I'm going to, you could use Nuvo drops would be another fun application here. Maybe some clear ones. So you could make this in a large size. You can make this in any size in between. But I thought I would just kind of show you these minis because sometimes it just helps to have an idea to kind of think out of the box a little bit and think, oh, we see lots of card illustrations for these in a larger size. I'm having a problem with this. But we don't always think to have the minis there. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but they're really sparkly in person. So I think I'm going to leave it with that and let them dry. And then that will easily pop into a 3x3 envelope here, or you can certainly make your own just like that. And you can do some stamping out here. And you are all set. So hopefully you like that idea. I hope that gives you a little inspiration that you can dip into your stash and make some fun little cards because they're so cute. Alright, thanks guys for stopping by. Have a great day.